things that really bothers the dogs about the teeter is the noise it makes. And sometimes they're not expecting the movement either. So what I'm going to try to get Bonnie's attention, and I'm just make sure her feet are out of the way, but we're just going to let her hear this, and so she's not affected at all by that. Good girl, Bonnie. All right, now I'm going to say, could I have a couple of your treats? And I'm going to teach her to touch it and bang it. Okay. Bonnie. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Bonnie. Yes. Good job, Bonnie. Good girl. And I'm going to get her off it. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bit higher. Bonnie. Yay. Good girl. So she's not afraid. She knows that she's making it move. She's not afraid of the noise, okay? So now we can go to the end. You're going to use your word wait as you're going to walk very slowly up. When she gets to the middle, you're going to say wait. And we want her to stand still right at the pivot point. So when her front feet get about here, you want her to stay there. Hold her around the collar, around her neck if you have to. Let her ride the board. Can you watch her chin? She's right over there. Okay. You want to have her sort of like weigh the board down and then walk to the end. And the same thing as everything else. Whenever there's a yellow contact zone, one foot has to touch it. But especially on the teeter, to be safe, we want to do that.
Wait.
Wait, right there. Good. Okay, now you can reward her there. And now we want her to come down, do her touch.
Touch.
Okay. So help her out a little. There, yes.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Okay.
All right. Try to remember to release her before you praise her. So she doesn't think she could start thinking that praise as soon as you say good girl means she's done. And it's not. We want them to stay there until we actually release them. All right, let's try it again.
Easy.
Okay, and then have her touch.
Touch.
Now,
Okay.
see how you're still going up over her
Yes.
head? You're causing her to look up. So always remember, go under her chin. If you try to remember it that way, just go under her chin with the treat.
Wait. Touch. Yes. Okay.
She actually dropped it.
I know, she's
It's right here. Yeah, I know. Okay.
Okay.
We need to work on the weight a little bit. I think what will help is I'll go ahead and put my hand here, so when her chest comes to here, she understands that's the weight.
Okay.
You're starting to say weight down on this end. We want it when she's just about to cross this middle point, and right before the pivot. We want her to wait and ride the board down. Okay? Wait. Yes. Good girl.
Touch.
Under the chin. Good.
Yes. Okay.
Good job. All right. Let's do it one more time. I don't want to raise it until she has a good weight there.
Teeter. Wait.
She thinks I have a treat in my hand. Good.
Touch.
Under the chin. Good.
Yes. Good girl.
Good job.
Okay.
Okay.